I think I already lost value in this because I accidentally cleaned it, so I just collect it for my own self. This is a 1945 dime, and it looks pretty sweet, doesn't it? Wait until we put it underneath the microscope. I already put the base and the stand together, and then this is the monitor that comes with it. Very easy to assemble together. All right. Ta-da! Let me get this up a little bit more. So this little knob right here is what you're gonna focus on. You see that? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. All the tiny little dents and scratches that you never even noticed from afar. Like, hold on, just look at this. You can't see it. That is cool. By the way, if you were into coin collecting, maybe get some gloves. Don't be me, but I'm an amateur, okay? Very neat. And then let's check out the menu. So it's not a touchscreen, but you just go through right here. Video size, photo, line assist if you need, electronic scale. I want to check this one out. Ounce, carats, gram. To use the weight scale, you have to have the cords connected. If you don't want the weight scale at all to be activated, just unplug it. So I am trying to figure out how to use this. Maybe I didn't plug it in correctly. Oh yeah, I did not. Right there, that's where the weight scale is.